NIO all-time high was at $67 back in January of 2021. And now today, NIO is at $10.54. So that's a huge drop. So does it mean it's time to buy NIO now? Not necessarily. We'll have to have a look at more details. And let's talk about this today. And we'll also compare NIO to Tesla. So we'll also look into Tesla stock details. So that's what we're going to discuss today. And let's get started. All right, guys, my name is Wayne. And don't forget to press like and subscribe my channel. And before we start, let's have a look at market today. So today, market is it's not doing too well or not doing too bad. It's just going sideways. If you look at it, S&P 500 is plus $16.41, and it's 0.36% up, and Nasdaq is down 0.11%. So it's things are not moving, not really going anywhere. All right, so let's have a look at NIO stock right here. So NIO at the moment right now is at $10.54. And if you look at year to date, it went down to the $7.53 from, let's say, all-time high. It was around $67. So let's have a look into more details into NIO. So I made this spreadsheet of NIO. There you go, revenue and market cap, all the details. Have a look at it. All right, so today price, there's a price up here today. And if you look at NIO market cap, it's at 17.79 billion. This is in billion. And revenue, 7.25 billion. And net asset is 4. And if you look at this earning, NIO is losing 2.11 billion a year. So they're losing money. They're in negative. And they're not buying any shares back. And what I want to show you guys is this one here. Cost of goods sold for NIO in 2022 is 6.59 billion. So every sale they make, it costs them this much. So when you look at the percent, there you go, the cost of goods sold percent is 90.94%. That's quite high, because when you sell something for 100%, let's say $50,000 car, you're spending 90% on cost of goods sold, which is what it costs to make this vehicle. So it's a direct cost. And all right, let's continue looking at this. So the research and development for NIO was 1.57 billion for 2022. And then average revenue growth, this is average of 3 years. I work it out to be about 80%. And all right, this one is what I've worked out so far. And this is from the asset. So it's about 22.48% asset towards the market cap. And revenue versus earning, it's a minus 29%. That's huge. They're losing big time. And the market cap versus earning is also minus. And you see this cost of goods sold, it's 90.94%. So if you look at the research and development, they're spending about 21.67% from the revenue. So if you look at these two, just these two alone, it's over 100. So they're spending more than what they're actually making. So that's a bit concerning. All right, so from my calculation, this is what I've worked out. So if NIO grow 70% every year for next 5 years, this will be their revenue, estimated revenue, 25.38%. Sorry, 25.38 billion. And if they earn roughly about 8% from the revenue, it'll be $2 billion. And estimated market cap at the time should be around 16.92. That's in 5 years' time from now, yeah? So in 5 years' time, I work it out to be, if we want the return on investment of 12%, the price should be around $10.04 in 5 years' time. So if we bring it back to the current value, now the target is around, the price should be around $8.64. So that's my target with 12% return on investment. But this is still a lot of assumption to make. That's assuming NIO is making 70% revenue growth and they are earning 8%. At the moment, they are losing money. They're earning minus. Their earning is about minus 29%. So that's they need to grow a lot. They need to work on the cost of goods sold to get this. And another assumption is for 15% return on investment, and which is only growing about 60% a year for next 5 years. So in 5 years' time, with this calculation, 60%, NIO revenue will be around 21.75 billion, and the earning will be around 1.9%. So that's a 5% earning. So this one is this estimation is a bit lower than the one before. With this, the market cap should be around 7.25 billion, and the price target with this return, 15% return on investment. So every $100 you invest, you should get return of about 15%. If you want to earn 50%, the target price for NIO will be $4.30 in 5 years' time. So today price, present value will be around $3.70. So this is what I've worked out to be, and this is what my target are. So I'm putting NIO on my watch list for around $8.50 at the moment. So let's compare this to Tesla. All right, Tesla here. So if you look at Tesla, I just want to show you guys this one here. So with revenue earning for Tesla, it's around 17%, versus for NIO, NIO is minus 29%. And the market cap towards earning, Tesla is around 1.6%. This one is, NIO is minus 11.56%. And cost of goods sold for Tesla, if you look at it, it's 74.40%. So if they sell one car, it costs them about 74.4% to manufacture this vehicle on average. But for NIO it's 90.94%. That's quite high. So NIO will need to work on this to be able to be profitable. And Tesla research and development, R&D, is 3.77% from the revenue. And for NIO is 21.67%. So NIO is spending a lot on their research and development. So they'll have to drop this one as well to be able to make profit. And for Tesla, my estimate price with 20% earning will be around $154 in 5 years' time. And now today present value will be around $133. So if you look at Tesla price today, so Tesla price today is $289.17. So that's the price need to drop about 50% to hit my target. So we'll just have to wait and see. I like Tesla. I would love to buy Tesla share, but it doesn't mean that you overpay for the value. So I'm just gonna wait and see how it goes with Tesla price, and I'll have to work it out again after delivery of Cybertruck and semi-truck and the other FSD and all the other revenue that's gonna come down the track for Tesla. So let's go back and look at that chart again for Tesla and NIO. All right, so if you compare these two together, Tesla and NIO, from my understanding, from what I've researched, Tesla is manufacturing the car by themselves, but for NIO, whereas NIO is, I think, hiring the third party to manufacture the car. So I think that's where the cost of goods sold, this one COGS, is high. So 90.94. So as they manufacture more vehicles, their cost of goods sold should come down a bit more than this. So we'll just have to wait and see. That's why I estimated NIO, there you go, revenue versus earning percent to be 8%. But in terms of Tesla at the moment is 17%. So I'm not sure NIO will get to that 70%, same as Tesla, because there's a high competition in China as well. So there you go. My target for NIO is around $8.84 at the moment. This is with 12% return on investment. All right, guys, that's all for today. And if you have any question or anything, you can write it down in the comment below. And if you want me to look into any stock, write it down in the comment as well. So that's all for today, guys. And thank you so much for watching my video. And before you guys leave, make sure to press like and subscribe my channel. And see you next time. Bye-bye.